Hello and welcome to my video. I had the idea of a poster with a pun on luxury and cherry. This is the 11th part of the series. In this episode, I'm looking for the right font. But first, I spread the cherries on the page to see how much space I have. Then I roughly position the text. I'm looking for a suitable font by scrolling through the list using the arrow key. I'm searching for a thin and elegant font. I like this font a lot. I'll keep it in mind. But I scroll a little further. No, I'm keeping it. But I want the letters to overlap. I'm adjusting the rest of the text. I want it to look like a dictionary definition. And that's it for this part. Thank you for watching. I hope you check in again.